everybody, I almost didn't make a video today. It's been so hectic today, I almost didn't get time, but here we are, close to the end of the day, but I'm getting one uploaded because there is a new video every Sunday on the SMX show. And today I'm opening this mystery bag I got from Comic Con. If you remember last week's video, I actually bought this. Well, my wife bought it for me, not me. Mystery bag costs £20 and it includes Super Mario, Pokemon and more. 7 items in it. And they assured me that there is more than £20 worth of items inside this bag. So I'm actually very excited to see what's inside. We've got a lot of videos coming up soon. You know, the coming weeks. We've got the Pokemon Presents coming up, so I'm looking forward to that. And my final Super Mario trailer, which I'm really excited for that film. Oh. I'm definitely not to look in this as I open it, because I kind of want it to be a surprise as I see each item for the first time. Okay, right. Okay, that's the first thing. Oh, Animal Crossing decals. I'm looking forward to putting some of these on my computer. I was actually going to buy some of these, so it's actually nice. It includes 4 sheets of waterproof removable gadget decals. So when it says removable, does it also mean reusable? I wonder, but it's actually quite cool, and I think my wife would actually get some use out of that as well. That's lovely. What's the next thing? Ooh, okay, got something. It's a Bowser Hot Wheel. I think I might give this one to my little boy because he absolutely loves Super Mario, and he loves Hot Wheels. It's two of his favourite things. So I think he'll really enjoy that. Fun fact: when I was little, did not know it was pronounced Bowser. I used to say Bowser, and even to this very day, Bowser sounds more menacing to me than Bowser. Bowser sounds more friendly. Anyway, let's see what's next. Okay, this is a small item. A Super Mario keyring. I love that, and the thing is, every time I see Mario's face, I just remember the Mario song, you know, about how to draw him, which I'm not going to sing it for you right now, but it's a good one. Right, what's next? Do a little surfing. Okay, what's this? Pokemon cards. Yes. You know what? Let's go ahead. Let's open this now and see what cards we got. Okay. It's Pokemon Fusion. It came with a little leaflet. And we got Munna, Meowth, and a reverse holo Cloyster. Very nice. I actually didn't think I'd be opening Pokemon cards on this channel again, so I didn't plan on doing any more this year. And then another couple Pokemon cards. Wonder if there's any more in here. Right, we got Stuffle, Sandigas. I actually like that one. It's quite a unique Pokemon. And a reverse holo. What's that called? Phalanx. Nice. I assume it's Phalanx. I haven't watched the anime for Pokemon in a long time. It's either Phalanx or no, in my look it'd be. I think this might be another set of Pokemon cards. Another set of Pokemon cards and of a fusion variety again. It's actually quite fun. I might actually get some more mystery boxes in the future. So, what we got first? We got Marill. We got, what is that? Oh, Helioptile, but it's a different sort of design, so it confused me. And a reverse holo Phantom. And what else have we got here? What is this? Oh, it's a Brienne. action figure, battle figure, I should say. Scaled for battle. So do you actually battle with these? I don't know. I don't know, but the amount of Pokemon stuff we've had from this, I feel like I should have worn my Pokemon hat instead. That's actually articulated it, so does that mean it's going to start speaking to me? I'm not sure what that means, but anyway. What else have we got in here? Oh yeah, by the way, we've definitely got more than 7 items from here so far, so this is already, you know, like, I already feel like we've got our money's worth. What's this? Wow, these are nice. Legend of Zelda pins. You know, pin badges. But, you know, and yeah, I just love badges. I keep badges. I've got a whole collection of Zelda badges, actually, from like 15 years ago. I think this might be the final thing. I've been trying to intentionally keep the biggest thing aside to take out later. And this is an Animal Crossing tumbler. I think it is called a tumbler. It's a glass, but it's like a tumbler sort of style, and it's got a. Let's open this up. Tom Nook is on the box. Oh yeah, it is a tumbler style. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, I love that. It's very nice. Oh, and what else? What else is in here? Oh, there's one more thing in here, actually. Just some stickers. Just some stickers in a little baggie. Let's have a look at the stickers. Yeah. That one. Wahoo! Ring. And Mario and the gang. Very nice. Okay. And that is everything. So, you know, just to do a quick recap of everything that we just opened here. So we got these stickers. That's 1. All these Pokemon cards. 2. Mario Kart Super Mario Hot Wheel, that's 3. Brion, that's 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Ooh. 8, but it's technically more than 8 because it's actually more close to 10 because of the Pokemon cards. You know, if we count in each individual pack, which personally I am. For £20, that's actually quite good. I'm actually quite impressed by that. Definitely check out acegamesuk. And yeah, acegamesuk. And you'll get loads of cool items. I wish I bought another one off them now, because he had this thing called the Giant Gaming Bag for £30. I just really wanted it, but I didn't buy it because I thought, I've already got this, and it's always a bit of a risk buying a mystery bag, mystery box or anything. We've had bad luck in the past, and I just didn't want to risk buying 2 from the same company, because if one's bad, the second one's going to be bad too. But I think Aces Games UK is actually a really good company to buy these from. And no, they're not sponsored or anything. I'm not some big YouTuber who gets sponsors, but I do endorse them now. And, you know, I will buy all of my mystery bags from them in the future. Anyway, that is all this week. I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I look forward to seeing you all again. Bye!